welcome back to Crooked Hooking, everybody. It's been some time since our last upload, and that's because it's just been non-stop rain. So finally we're back here in the creeks and we're going to get some fishing on. If you guys are still hanging around and have not yet hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit subscribe. We do all kinds of cool adventures. I'd hate for you to miss out. Alrighty, everybody, let's get into this video and let's have some fun. Alrighty, so it's another beautiful day to be back in the creek. I love being in the creek, especially when the water is nice and clear. And it's just, you know, you can get a lot closer to nature. It's a lot more fun to fish. And this is actually where we do a lot of our trout fishing videos. So it's definitely going to be a good time. I'm really looking forward to it. It's been some time since we've been back. So we're just going to try something simple. Just a nice nightcrawler coloration finesse worm, a number size 6 hook. And let's see what bites. So we're going to just try along this little reed line here in the shadows and see what's hiding out. So I want to show you the action here real quick of this worm. It's a nice little nightcrawler coloration worm, and this seems to do the trick in just about every body of water, whether it be a creek, a lake, a river. It seems to do pretty good, so hopefully we get on some really good fish here today. There we go. Alright, let's see if I can grab this one. Come on, baby. God, every time. They're like barely hooked. So I'm gonna throw it in front with this rock here. Just kind of let it drift down and let the current kind of do some of the work for me. See what's hanging out down below. There we go. Ah, is he still there? Yeah, I guess so. All right, let's see if we can grab this one. Ah, cool. There we go. Ow, as he spikes the crap out of me. There we are. Alrighty, so here is a small Delaware Creek smallmouth. Just a little guy. But they do put up a really cool fight. But yeah, really cool fish to go after. Alrighty, buddy. He hit the bait as soon as it hit the water, which is a cool reaction strike. I love seeing that type of bite. It's always fun. There we go. Nice little small creek smallmouth here. Almost looked like a trout the way the color was. There we go. So they do get bigger, but not much bigger. If anything, maybe like 12 to 13 inches, but at least in this creek. And he's off. Such a cool little fish. Yeah, they're definitely hanging out in these deep pools. So I'm trying to... Oh, that was a good bite. Did you see that? Let's see. Yep. Thought so. Thought so, the way that bite was. Ooh, spikes. Okay, there you go, buddy. Looked like he was getting ready to bleed, so I wanted to put him back in as fast as possible. A lot of times when they swallow it all the way down to the gill, I don't like to keep them out of the water very long. But that one was good. It was a nice little topwater landing, and he came up and did that initial pop strike, which was great. I love seeing those strikes. Super aggressive fish. You can kind of see another blow up down below. So we're gonna slowly make our way down and see what we can pull out of these rocks here. There we go. What a nice little jump. Okay, there you go, buddy. Looked like he was getting ready to bleed, so I wanted to put him back in as fast as possible. A lot of times when they swallow it all the way down to the gill, I don't like to keep them out of the water very long. There we go. All right. Little red-eyed rock bass. So cool. I love these fish. Yeah, I love these fish. I love how their eyes get nice and like blood red when they get like super excited and stuff. And I love just the pattern of them. The just everything about them is so cool. There's a nice little feisty creek fish. So I hope you guys can see a really good look at that. And we'll go ahead and let him go. Here he goes. Awesome, awesome, awesome fish. We're getting like small little taps with this technique where I'm just throwing the lure right into these deep pools. I'm just letting it sink all the way down, and I'm letting the current kind of do the work for me, as well as I'm pulling the lure back as I do the retrieve. Just small little flick motions, and we've gotten some follows. Like there's something following it right now, but they're pretty small, so we may end up working our way down, see what's a little bit farther down the creek here. Oh, good bites, man. Really good bites. And they're staying committed, which is good. A lot of times it's really hard to do in the creek. They just come up parallel with their lateral line, and they'll feel it out, but a lot of times they'll just swim off at the very end. So it's good that they're really, really aggressive. Just gotta find that catch, that strike. Oh, there we go. There we go. Look at that fight. Ah, oh, this one. I haven't done this in a long time. So this is what we would call a foul hooked sunfish. Ow. There we go. So pretty much, yeah, so this here is what's called a foul hook sunfish. What that means is you just throw it out there and he hits so hard that the hook just got him right here on the side, so he came in sideways. But pretty interesting. So they are quite aggressive little fish. Alrighty, buddy, go back in and have some fun. Well, I hope you guys liked today's adventure. It was definitely a lot of fun. I really enjoy getting back out in the creeks. The last time we were down here really was trout season, so that was about almost 3 months ago. So it's definitely really good to see a lot of action coming back to life in the creeks after the winter and early spring. So it's great to get out in the creeks once again. So if you guys liked today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a comment down below, and also leave a like. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later.